Hey there, fellow nature lovers. So today's tip is all about color matching. So what I mean by that is attempting to match the color with your paint or pencil medium as closely as you can. So why would we want to do this? Well, of course, practicing makes perfect. So the more you're used to your media you're using, whether it's watercolor or colored pencils, and exactly how those mix together, the quicker you'll be in the field, being able to capture the beauty of nature. And also, noticing colors and their exact shades and tints will really help you to deepen your observational skills and your appreciation of the variety of them in nature. So the tools I suggested, as of course, like I just said, is you could try colored pencils or watercolor, any color medium that you can finely blend together to get the exact color you're looking for. And so this is how I would do it. First, I would recommend getting a variety of subjects. And today I'm out at a picnic ground in the forest here, and I found some pine cones and some wood and some lichen and other various leaves and things. And it's good to find an object that has sort of a flat area of color to make it a little bit easier for you, like this wild strawberry has pretty much a big flat area of green. And so I would first suggest getting a variety of objects of different colors. And of course in nature there's lots of things that are browns and greens, but you might be able to find some red flowers. Or then attempt to match those as closely as possible by mixing your paints. So when you're mixing, for example, with paints, you would first think about what that color was. Like, is this, a burnt sienna? So it's basically a brown. So you mix a brown and then you test it on your paper. And if it's not quite there yet, not quite matching, you can say, do I need to warm it up or cool it down? Do I need to make a tint or a shade of this color? Or perhaps neutralize it with with its complement. So for example, if you had a red object, you might want to neutralize it with green to make it more natural looking and closer to the object you actually see. So after you've done some practice of matching different colors in nature, you might want to up the ante and try something a little bit harder, like matching many things that are in the kind of the same color family. Now in nature, of course, there are a lot of greens. So I have assembled some green pine needles, green lichen, and green wild rose and wild strawberry, and then I'm working on color matching those. And it's the same idea. You start with maybe mixing a neutral green and then saying to yourself, do I need to warm this up with a little bit of yellow or cool it down with a little bit of blue, or do I need to neutralize this green with a little bit of red? So that kind of thing. So anyway, now it's your turn. I hope you'll go out and find some things in nature and practice mixing and matching the exact right color, and hope you have fun. Okay, bye-bye.